Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Ebony from Essence of Ebony Hair, and today I'm coming to you guys with a quick little video on to show you how to apply false lashes. I found the easiest way. I'm not a professional or whatever, but just the easiest way that I found for me that works. I watched a lot of videos on YouTube on how to apply lashes, and this is the one that worked for me. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get right in. So the first thing I do is I used to apply lashes to my naked lash and didn't know that you were actually supposed to put mascara on until, I don't know what video I watched. I watched their video and it was like, put on mascara because your eyelashes are too thin. Like mine's, you can't really see them, and mine's curl up a little bit. So the first thing you want to do is get you some mascara. It doesn't matter which one. This I have here is the Maybelline, the Great Lash. You know, everybody used to start out with this one. So I just go ahead and put a good amount on. Make sure you coat every hair, especially every hair that you expect it to apply to. Okay. And I'm gonna go ahead and do the other one. I'll speed this up a little bit. Oh, be careful of that, y'all. Definitely be careful of that. Oh, I'm gonna go wipe this off and I'll be right back. Definitely be careful of your eye. Okay, so I have the mascara on there. I'm letting that dry for a little bit. Today I will be using Scorpio. This is from My Lashes, my lash company. Yeah, Scorpio. These are the ones that I'm using. I have some old ones that I'm reusing. Well, I just recently, I'm gonna open these. This is like my third time wearing them. And if you take care of them, just take the glue off of them. Like, these are still like in bomb condition, like bomb condition. They last forever. But yeah, so I'm in love with the Scorpio one lately because I feel like these ones right here, I have like a lot of dramatic ones. But these ones are like, I feel like, well, you'll see. These you can sort of dress up or dress down. Like this could go for like an everyday wear, like today is just an everyday thing. I didn't do too much to my face, just something simple, my eyebrows and stuff, and a little lip gloss, but nothing too crazy. But yeah, this is something, the Scorpio ones, Scorpio and Ebony Eyes are like my favorites right now for like everyday looks. And then of course I love, you know, Pretty D and stuff like that. Pretty D and what's the other one I like that I wear like if I'm getting like really dressed up? Pretty D and Essence. Sorry about that. Pretty D. What the heck is, how do you not know your last names? Don't be like me, I'll be better. Pretty D, Ebony, Scorpio, Essence. Oh, Brit, there you go, Brit. I try to wear I've worn those. No, actually no, it must be Essence. I gotta look at them again. Y'all don't judge me for this. Please don't judge me. That's how you know I wear these ones too much, because these don't like the first ones I could think off the top of my head, but I like these ones a lot. So yeah, if you want these two, make sure you go ahead and look in my description box. I'll go ahead and put that in there as well. But yeah, so my mascara should pretty much be dry by now. And so what I use, some people use Duo and all those other like lash companies. And okay, so all of my lashes pretty much come with a spoolie. I don't know why this time, they know my colors are black and gold and purple and stuff like that, but for some reason they said pink this time. Anyway, this is from the last pair that I had. So they all come with the spoolie. So what I do is I use, don't judge, but I use the glue, the hair glue. To me, it works better and it's cheaper. Like this is like $3.94, $3.49, or maybe $5, and you get all of this, whereas you pay $2.99 or $3.49 for Duo, and that's not gonna last you forever. So what I do is make sure there's nothing on there, make sure this is clean. You know, of course, you wanna make sure that you have a clean one of these. And okay, so that's the first, let me tell you this first. Okay, So before you put the lash on, make sure you have it on the right end, like the right end. Like this, usually towards the front of the eyelash where it's supposed to be, like this one goes on this eye. It's gonna be a little shorter and a little thinner. See, like you see towards the end, sorry you guys look so crazy, but towards the end it's like thicker. So you wanna make sure that you put it on the end that looks a little thinner and a little shorter because it's closer to, you know, the front of your eye. So make sure you pay attention to that. So make sure you put the left eye on the left eye and the right eye on the right eye. So that's, I made that mistake of trying to put them on, not paying attention, taking them both out of the case and not keeping them on the sides that they're supposed to be on, and just threw them on and I was looking crazy. So make sure y'all don't make that mistake. So what I do here is take off the top, and sometimes you might have some dried up glue. I'm taking this off. And yeah, make sure you just be careful with this stuff because it can stain your clothes. But yeah, so what I do is I dip. It's getting a little low. Okay, so I dip my brush in here. Let me set this down. Okay, so I dip my brush in here and I put it on, let me see if I could do this for you. So I just go ahead and put it on here, like the lash line, like a thin layer. You don't need too much. I might need a little bit more than that. I'm gonna spread it on and I'll show you how much I have on here. So this is how much I have. Can you focus? What? Let's see if it'll focus. This is how much I have on there. It's not that much. And I'm gonna let it dry for a little bit. I'm gonna get up a little closer, all up in your face or whatever. Okay, so my, what did I do? My other eyelash. Okay, so I'm gonna get all up in your face. All you can see is my little eyebrow. Yeah, I'm trying to get better at my eyebrows. I'm working on it. One of these days I'm gonna be a pro at it. And a lot of people I see, they draw like outlines and stuff like that, like eyeliner. I'm not great with that yet. So this is very beginner friendly with the eyelash thing. So if you're new to this, because I'm sort of new to it myself, but I feel like I could spread the word because I know what I'm doing now. But yeah, this is about time. I should put this on before it dries up. But so what you want to do is take like the center of it. What I do is take the center and try to place it in the middle, right above your lashes. And then I'll try to work it through, let it sit, put it right on your lash. Right on your lashes. And yeah, I see people, like I said, I see people putting it, sorry, let me get this front part up. Ugh. See, sometimes it can be a hassle. So I'm going to go ahead and take this glue off. And I'm glad that you guys are seeing this, because sometimes I used to watch videos on YouTube and them girls just throwing them lashes on. I'm like, I can't do mine that fast. So I'm glad you guys are seeing it this way, but I think I let it, I was talking too much, so I let it dry up too much, so it didn't really stick. So make sure you watch out for that too. So let's go ahead and do this again. Okay. Okay, so I'm just putting the lash glue on here. Not too much and not too little. Letting this dry just a little bit, not too much. Okay. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and place it on. Y'all don't judge my little scraggly little eyebrows. I mean, not eyebrows, eyelashes that I barely got. Okay, so again, we're gonna hold the middle of it and place it behind your lashes. Okay, and then you wanna work, you're gonna get it together through the front and then the back part of it. And you see how I got this there? Like, what you do is wait for it to dry, because you know it just beats up. You just get a Q-tip and you can just wipe it right off, or you can do it with your hands. I don't know why I can't really tell. Let me look in my mirror if it's on there right, but it looks weird at the front, but it's on there. Yeah, it's on there. It's just that little piece. But yeah, once this glue dries up right here, I'll just take a Q-tip and like twirl it around and it'll come right off because it like beads up. And yeah, so that's just how I do that one. I'll go ahead and do the next one for you so then y'all can see how that goes. Now let me clean off this, get all this off, putting the glue on, and that pretty much, maybe I'll show you guys a little bit better this time. I don't think I did the other time. Just get a little closer up. So I dipped the tip into my, mascara, my glue, and then I just put it on here like that. Makes things a lot easier. Rather than trying to squeeze that thing and not put too much on there. Like I think I put a little extra more than I needed. Like this is kind of a lot. I didn't need all of that, but it's okay. It's okay. So I'm gonna let this go. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna hold the middle again. Hold the middle and these little hairs. And sorry, doing this on the phone is a little crazy. So I can't really see. Okay. Okay. You just wanna work through the front, then do the back and squeeze it together with your eyelash and the fake eyelash and your eyelash, just squeeze it together. That happens too sometimes. I think I'll put this one up a little further. And sometimes there might be, like I said, I used a little bit extra glue than what I needed. So, sorry y'all, this is kind of gross. That was gross, I'm sorry. Sorry you guys had to witness that. I noticed I put this one a little further up than I did that one. Dang, I'm gonna have to take this one off and redo that and put a little closer up because I like how this one looks. Sorry, my eyes watering a little bit because that was gross. I'm sorry you guys have to see that. Okay, I kind of like this one a little bit better. I'm probably gonna take this one off and re-put it on so it could be a little closer up than this one, like that one is. You guys see how close that is. But yeah, so I might do that later. I don't have to do it now. I basically was just trying to show you guys how to put them on. Hold on. Yeah, I just basically want to show y'all how to put on. But yeah, these are cool. Hold on one second.